In this video, I will share the difference between movie clip symbol and graphic symbol. First, create a new scene. In this scene, we first create a movie clip symbol. Under the Insert menu, click New Symbol. Or press the Ctrl+F8 shortcut key on the keyboard. There are three types of new symbols to create. They are movie clip, button, and graphic. The button is quite different from the other two, so we will not introduce it for now. This video will first explain the difference between movie clip symbol and graphic symbol. Let's start with movie clip symbol. First, name this movie clip symbol 1. Now I have entered the symbol editing area. The boundary line in the scene just now disappeared. That is to say, there is only one center point in the symbol editing area. You can enlarge the symbol infinitely. But it is recommended not to draw the symbol too large, otherwise you will have to reduce the size of the symbol after you put it into the scene. Now I will draw a circle. Press and hold Shift. Drag the mouse to draw a circle. Remove the stroke. Change the fill color. Now I want to make an animation. And the animation content is that this circle moves from the left to the right. This animation takes about 20 frames. Insert a keyframe at the 20th frame. Move the circle to the 20th frame. Right-click between the two keyframes. Click Create Classic Tween. The sphere is translated from the left to the right over the duration of 20 frames. This is the animation of the movie clip symbol. There is an icon in the upper left corner of the document. It indicates that I am editing inside the movie clip symbol. Next to the movie clip symbol is a left arrow. Click this arrow to return to the scene. Now movie clip 1 has disappeared. Where is this movie clip symbol? There is a library panel next to the properties panel. If you can't find it, you can find the library under the window menu. Press the Ctrl+L shortcut key, which can also be used to call it up. Now I bring movie clip 1 to the scene. Now you can only see this sphere, which is immobile. Press Ctrl+Enter to preview the animation. Now you can see that the animation of the sphere moving from the left to the right was just set in the movie clip symbol, but you can see that the timeline in the main scene has only one frame. Normally, there will be no animation if only one frame is set. So why is there animation? This animation is generated inside the movie clip symbol. The timeline of the movie clip symbol is independent of the main timeline. It can animate independently without relying on the animation settings of the main timeline. The main timeline has only one frame, but the sphere has animation. The reason is that the sphere is a movie clip symbol, and we have set the animation for the sphere inside the movie clip. Click Library. Copy symbol 1. Change the symbol name to 2. Set the symbol type to graphic. Double-click symbol 2 to enter the internal editing area of symbol 2. We can distinguish the difference between movie clip symbol and graphic symbol by the icon. The movie clip software is a square icon with a 1/4 gear. The graphic symbol icon is a triangle, rectangle, and circle arranged together. Since this graphic symbol is copied from the movie clip symbol. Just now, a 20-frame animation was set in the movie clip software, so this graphic symbol also has this 20-frame animation. The graphic symbol also has its own independent timeline. Now I return to the scene. Put symbol 2 in the position above. Change the color of this graphic symbol. Choose a color at random, mainly to distinguish the two spheres. Press Ctrl+Enter to preview. We can see that the movie clip symbol is automatically looping the animation. But the graphic symbol has no animation, it stays on the first frame. So how can we make the graphic symbol move? Just now we already know that the internal frame number of this graphic symbol is 20 frames. I give it a 20-frame extension on the main timeline. Now I push the main timeline, and you can clearly see that the graphic symbol will move according to the time change of the main timeline. But the movie clip symbol does not move, and it remains at the first frame. Press Ctrl plus Enter to preview. Both graphics are animated. The timeline of the graphic symbol is consistent with the main timeline. I extended the main timeline to 30 frames. The graphic symbol will also loop. It returns to the origin at the 21st frame and moves another 10 frames. The graphic symbol plays as many frames as the main timeline plays. The timeline of the movie clip symbol is independent of the main timeline. Whether the main timeline is extended or not, the movie clip symbol can automatically loop the animation. Press Ctrl plus Enter to preview again.